Another example of the previous type. What was the type of question? This is also similar question. So I am reading this. How many numbers between 10 and 500 are divisible by 6? Okay. Many problems of the same type can be designed. Okay. So you may get different numbers on the same line of thinking. So how many numbers between 10 and 500 are divisible by 6? So let us start the solution. The sequence of numbers between 10 and 500 divisible by 6 is 12. Because after 10, the number divisible by 6 is 12. Then 18. Then 24. Dash, dash, dash. I have written 498, but I have at the same time I have put a star over there. For what reason? How will you decide that the number divisible by 6 less than 500? Okay. Therefore, I have put a star. So you have to use your previous knowledge of mathematics, that is the tests, two tests of divisibility by 2 and 3, because the test of divisibility by 6 is when the number is divisible by 2 as well as by 3, then the number is divisible by 6. So I start with 500. I know that 500 is divisible by 2 but not by 3. What is the test of divisibility by 3? If sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Then let us come one step behind and you will get 499. Not divisible by 2, very clearly. Chhod do. The next lower number will be 498, very clearly divisible by 2. Let us check whether it is divisible by 3 also. Okay. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21, is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. Therefore, this complete number is divisible by 3. So, it is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3. Therefore, this is the number, this is the last number before 500, which is divisible by 2 and 3, hence by 6. So therefore, we have written last number as 6. I hope it is very clear. Okay. 500, no. Why no? It is divisible by 2 but not by 3. 499, not divisible by 2. ये भी छूट गया. 498, एक एक step पीछे आ रहे हैं हम लोग. 498 is divisible by 2 because 8 is there in the units place. Moreover, sum of the digits comes out to be 21, which is divisible by 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 6 also. Okay? I mean by 2 and 3, therefore divisible by 6. So, this is the AP 12, 18, 24, which ends at 498. It's an AP in which first term A is 12, common difference is 6. For an AP, Tn is equal to this one. What is Tn? 498. हमको यही तो देखना है कि ये जो टर्म आ रही है इसका टर्म नंबर क्या है ना. सो Tn is 498. Let us put in place of Tn we are putting 498. A 12, D 6. Simplify this equation. Those calculations I am not explaining because they are very simple. So you get n is equal to 82. What does it mean? 498 is the 82nd term of this AP. It is the 82nd term of this AP. Now we have to express the same conclusion according to the question, according to the requirement. Okay. The question says how many numbers are there between 10 and 500 divisible by 6. So we will convert this conclusion into the required answer. There are 82 numbers between 10 and 500 which are divisible by 6. Like this, I'll send you some more examples for homework.